Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu, and welcome to another wonderful session, Toppers Timetable. But the thing is, do we have a special timetable only meant for toppers? Or the timetable which they follow make them toppers? What do you think? Okay, let's know more about the toppers timetable in today's session. So this is something we get to hear on daily basis. Mom, I have so much to study. Mom, I have to complete this. I have to complete that, but I don't have time. Why? I mean, you have 24 hours. Everyone has 24 hours in a day. So why do we think we don't have enough time? See, do not try to manage time. Like be organized, very organized. See, when it comes to studying, no, discipline is very, very important. So if you're not disciplined, if you're not organized, then it's very difficult to reach your goal, or maybe to become a topper also you have to be very organized and disciplined. So this is something which I did. Which I'm not that proud of. So that was whenever I had to study, I used to look at the time. I'm like, "Arey, it's 5:15. Let me start at 5:30." I used to wait for the right time. Like 5:45, yeah. Arey, no. It's not. No, 5:45. Who will start studying at 5:45? I'll start at 6 o'clock. So I just wasted 2 hours waiting for the right time. है ना? So the time will be never just be right. It will be never right. Right? It's about when you start, that's the right time. So plan. And this is something, ma'am, I just wasted all these days. I could have completed, I could have finished the whole syllabus, I could have revised twice by now. Okay, whatever is done is done. Just why do you have to sit and worry about whatever has happened in the past? So now sit today and start planning. So how am I gonna utilize the rest of the time which I have to complete the syllabus, to revise, and to become a topper? So please don't think or worry about the past. Start today. So what do you have to do? So I said in the beginning, there is nothing such as toppers timetable. See, you might have heard, right? The toppers. What they tell is that the general idea which you get from those toppers is they were very disciplined, hardworking, and organized. Right? They knew what they are gonna do, what they wanted. So here we also have to do the same thing. So how should I study so that I can become a topper? Because there is no such timetable meant only for toppers, because every one of us wants to be a topper, right? So the thing is, plan it. Okay, divide your time between sleep, study, meals, and leisure. I've seen people, meals mein 2 hours. If we ask, what? Am I not allowed to eat also? Do it. Sleeping is very, very important. So you guys have to sleep for at least 7 hours. This also, no, most of you guys are not following, right? Because many of the students, they tell me, ma'am, I sleep at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So obviously when you wake up late, the pura ka din ka routine, it doesn't go well. It doesn't go according to your plan, right? So you should know what time am I gonna sleep and what time should I wake up, and follow the same every single day. Okay, these little things change your life. So take at least 7 hours of sleep and then devote 6 hours for study. 6 hours every day. Yes. So apart from the sessions and all that, so you need to devote 6 hours for study. So what should you do? And do not always sit in front of the laptop or computer or phones. Please do some physical exercises too, activities too. Maybe you like painting or sketching, singing, dancing, kuch to karo for at least 2 hours, so that your brain also needs some rest, right? So studying, it's kind of stressful. So that you will also feel fresh, you will feel good about yourselves. So please keep 2 hours for physical activity and exercises every day. So whatever you like, just do something which makes you happy. But the thing is, I want you to include studying also in that category, because most of us like, exams hai na, so we have to study. Oh, I have to study for someone else. But when you start enjoying the subject, no, you will actually look forward. Oh, yeah, so I'll start studying at, I have a session, I have a lecture at this time. So please start enjoying that also. That is my request. So how to utilize these 6 hours? 6 hours though we need to devote for studying. But how? You have so many subjects. First, set your daily goal and try to achieve that in these 6 hours. To-do list. Okay, so I am gonna complete this chapter, or I will solve the previous year question paper, something. Maybe you can start with a very smaller thing, and then you can just go on extending the time. So a sample, this is just a sample, so however you are okay with it, you can follow. So the subjects which you find difficult, spend a lot of time on that, more time on that. So for example, maybe I find math difficult, physics, so spend more time on it. And the subjects which you feel is easy and you are very confident about, so you can spend 45 minutes. So it can vary person to person, right? Which subjects you find difficult is very different from the subjects which I find difficult. आप लोगों को chemistry is very difficult, no? So it can vary person to person. So what about the other 45 minutes? You guys are left with 45 minutes, है ना? So there you just revise whatever you studied the whole day. बस हो गया जी. This is enough. See, it's about, you have to know what you're going to do. You have to know how are you going to spend the day. So every hour is important. So do not just sit and wait for the right time. Start now. Plan and be organized, disciplined. Eat, sleep and study at the right time. That is it. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is just that little extra, right? So I don't want you to sit and study for extra hours. Just be very well organized. That is it. So I'm sure, once you start implying this in your life, you will see some changes. But this is just a suggestion. Okay, so because we all have different patterns, right? How we want to study and all that. Few are, they can finish a whole chapter in 45 minutes. Few needs more time. So it is completely up to you how you want to study and all that. But this is something which everyone found it, reliable and helpful. So okay, this is about the toppers timetable, and do check out the other videos also in our channel. And if you're here for the first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. So till now, it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Bye bye.